Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. And we're here again for the OFW Average Trader PSE Weekly Performance Review. We're very happy to be here again to share the latest happening at the Philippine Stock Exchange. But before diving in, I would like to send our heartfelt gratitude to the regular viewers of this channel. We thank you for continuously supporting us. In return, we will do our very best to give and share with you the most relevant information and signals to properly interpret the market using the chart or technical analysis. So let's get started with the PSE Index. The market started the week initially with a bit of optimism by opening at 6,033 and closed a bit higher at 6,058, but giving us a green, less bullish inverted hammer candle on a Monday. Then on Tuesday, the market once again opened higher than yesterday's close at 6,065, but once more persisted with sellers and closed at 6,055, forming a red, more bearish inverted hammer candle. Come Wednesday, the market opened higher again at 6,082 but prevailed by profit takers and closed at 6,079 that gave us another red, more bearish inverted hammer candle. On Thursday, as the seller continued to prevail for 2 consecutive days, the market opened a bit lower at 6,075 and closed at 6,031 as the selling sentiment grew bigger. And finally, on a Friday, the market opened at 6,050 and significantly dropped as negative sentiment prevailed in the market and closed at 5,920, giving us a red, most bearish candle as a week closing. Overall, the market started with optimism but suddenly shifted to pessimism as profit takers prevailed for almost the entire week, as the price appears to have hit the 6,111 resistance level but failed to pass through it, which causes the movement for this week a significant drop and could be interpreted as a retracement after a false breakout from the nearest resistance level or zone. Philippine market Brent and PSEI remain under pressure with some choppy action near 6,000 support area, suggesting stock patterns are heavily influenced by macro sentiment. Foreign flows showed net buying interest in several of your stocks, such as BDO, Metrobank, Jollibee, JGS, Converge, and SM Prime Holdings over the latest week, which technically support short-term demand versus selling pressure. Our overall technical outlook for the week 50, neutral to slight bearish bias for the group as a whole. Most stock traded sideways without definite breakouts, mirroring the week PSEI performance. Ayala Land, Converge, Jollibee, and Ayala Corporation showed neutral patterns, while select names like BDO and MegaWorld held slight short-term upside potential if support levels remained intact. Market conditions favored range trading rather than strong trend continuation in week 50. The overall PSEI showed softness and mild decline during the week, with the benchmark trading slightly lower amid weak Brent and some foreign net selling. The broader market remained mixed with no strong momentum shift by week's end. Now going to our focus on stock before ending our episode, let us move forward to Ayala Corporation. In spite of the absence of any significant news report this week and solely relying on its positive third quarter record, core earnings this year, and declaration of cash dividend to its common shares, Ayala Corporation stock appears to pause and move sideways, staying above the current support area at 450 level, which is already very slightly above pandemic level. Despite of its weak and unpredictable movement, its fundamentals remain fairly solid. Diversified business portfolio, strong banking and real estate performance, consistent core earnings, and healthy governance credentials. Take note that the range of pandemic is between 360 to 450 level. We hope the move will be sustained above this range and move positively in the coming weeks or beyond end of the year. As we wrap up this video, we should keep on reminding ourselves that the negative we saw in the market wasn't rooted in reality, but in the human tendencies toward greed and desire for easy money. Never forget, success shines brightest when it's built on honesty, character, and genuine effort. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss on our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with the domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com. Or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There's no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you all on my next video. Ciao!